When I see this GANT shirt, American flag shirt that I bought in Germany over 2 decades ago, it reminds me of free trade and international trade. Putting it into a Leonard Read eye pencil concept, you can follow the shirt and its manufacturing. I don't know the field that the cotton came from. It could be from the United States, China, India, Pakistan, Peru, any number of countries that produce cotton as a commodity. So it's internationally interchangeable. Took the cotton, somebody spun it. What country spun? Could have been India, could have been Italy, could have been Central Asia. Don't know. Could have been the United States. But somebody spun the wool. Somebody dyed it. They dyed the red. Was the red from a natural cochineal bud from the cactuses of Peru and Mexico? Don't know. Or was it synthetic, produced by scientists in the United States and Europe that designed the color red? Don't know where it came from, but there was a supplier involved. There was research involved. Take the colors, put it together somewhere in Asia. The shirt was manufactured. They took all these components and put it together. Then they had to ship it. They put it on a truck. They put it on a ship. They shipped it to Germany. When it got to Germany, they had to distribute it. They had to determine which store was going to be able to sell an American flag shirt in Germany. There was economists, there was analysts involved to determine what store was best. I walked into the store, I saw it, and I bought it. I bought an American flag shirt in Germany that was produced in Hong Kong that had components from all around the world. It reminds me that free trade is not something that we want to bottle up, something we want to stop, something we want to take advantage of. Allow each country and each individual to realize their greatest potential and their competitive and comparative advantage. By allowing free trade, this wasn't determined by the government. This wasn't determined by socialists, determining what was produced and where and who got paid what. This was determined by the market, by supply and demand. This shirt was not cheap, but I was willing to pay it. I was willing to pay it because of the quality that was reflected because of the demand. Somebody understood the markets. They understood the charm dance principles and the framework that it took to develop the product and get it to the consumer. They understood the market. They produced a product globally. And that's what we need to do. Continue to take advantage of the competitive and comparative advantages of the countries so that we can all benefit from free trade, both as suppliers and as consumers.